How to fix Snapchat problem where saved memories photos are not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the problem where the saved memories photos are not showing. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1, that is to check the internet connection. So first, make sure that your internet connection is stable because sometimes Snapchat memories could not load properly due to the irregular network. So, with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to update the Snapchat. So, here simply open the Google Play Store and here simply search for the Snapchat app. And now, here, if you find any update button right here, then you can simply update it to the latest version because older version may cause memories to not load properly. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check the memory settings. So simply open the Snapchat app and tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on memories. And now here, make sure that save to memories and autosave are enabled in this section. And also check that your photos are not accidentally saved only to device role instead of memories. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the cache. So simply long press on the Snapchat app icon and now from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the Snapchat app settings, just tap on clear data in the bottom right corner of the screen and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to log out and log in. So here, if your photos still don't appear on the Snapchat, then you can simply log out of the app and after that you can simply log back in again. And with that, it will help you to refresh your account and often fix the missing memories as well. And here, if none of that above works, then you can simply contact the Snapchat support. So here, simply go to the settings section and tap on the help center right here. And there you can simply explain your issue and Snapchat support can assist in recovering the missing memories. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Snapchat memories photos not showing problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.